It's him and
What's going on YouTube? This is
Aquemini.
Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, back again with another video. Let me start off by saying thank you. This channel has like 20 videos and over 50,000 views. So if you're a returning person, thank you for coming back. If you're new here, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching the videos, but please hit that like button and also please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Now I know a lot of you are looking at the videos, y'all probably liking it, but you're not hitting the like button. So make sure that you hit the like button on this video and check out a few of my other videos. In this video, we're doing the deck staining. I did the wash in another video. You can check that out. The link to the video that I did the pressure washing for this deck is going to be up here at the top. Click on that and you can check that video out. Okay, here's the deck. It's dry. The customer was watering the grass and got water on the deck, so I can't do that part until it dries. So we're going to kind of concentrate on this area right over here, which is going to take a little time because of the bench and also the handrails that's behind the bench. We're going to try to get that sprayed, and we're going to have to do a lot of this by hand. Right here we're using Ready Seal, we're using pecan. This is a transparent wood stainer. I use this all the time. It goes on even, so if you're not a person that knows how to paint or stain, using Ready Seal is the best way to go. Hey, I'm not sponsored by Ready Seal, it's just something that I use and it works good for me. We're gonna do the handrails and everything that's close to the house with a brush. But we are going to spray the handrails. It's just anything that's closer to the house, we're going to use the brush. Everything away from the house, I'm going to spray. But since we have concrete and don't have any kind of grass or vegetation out here, I'm going to make sure that I put something down so I won't get on the concrete, which I have that big tarp right there. And that's going to cover this area up when I spray it. So anytime that you have concrete in the area, make sure that you, especially when you're using a solid stain, make sure that you're covering the concrete up with something so you won't have any issues with the customer complaining about stain being on the concrete. Okay, another thing you gotta look for is on this deck, even though we have bare wood on this section, we do have sections right here that's been painted. There's nothing I can do about that. I told the customer the best way to cover that up is to use a solid stain, but they insist that they use a transparent, so we're gonna give what they want. Okay, we're not gonna make this too longer than what it is now. I'm gonna go ahead and just start a time lapse for the entire video. If I see something that I might have to point out to you, I'll stop the videos and then start the time lapse back. All right, let's get started. Okay, cut in is done. See how get away from the house. And right here, I haven't done anything because I can spray that. So he has the most height. I can move that away if I need to. Basically what I want to do, I want to cut in away from the house just by using the brush. You know, spray a little bit, but not too much. But anything that's close to the house, just use your brush and spray it. I mean, anything that's close to the house, just use your brush, get it away from the house. So now when you go back and spray it, it'll be quicker. Because now you don't have to worry about getting anything on the house. Always come out maybe 3 to 4 boards this way, or maybe to like the first set of screws that's in the wood. So that'll be far enough out for you to start spraying from that point. You shouldn't get anything on the house. But still, when you do it, be careful. Just make sure that you're not giving any overspray onto the house. And the way you do that is kind of tilt the gun. I'll show you. So when you have the gun in your hand like this, tilt it away where you can get it that way. Okay, after you apply this thing with the sprayer, what you need to do is go back and back brush it. That way you can push all the stain into the wood and it goes on even. Okay, right here with this bench, it's going to take a little bit longer because it's blocking the handrails and the spindles in the back of it. So it is what it is. You just got to take time to get it behind it. Okay, everybody, right behind me is the finished product. Let's take a look. All right, as you can see, the wood right here and the wood there is two types of wood because it was an add-on to this deck. So the light color stain is basically from the old deck, and the new color is basically from the dark color is from the new deck that was added on. You see these spots right there? Those are the lights coming from the windows. They're reflecting on the deck, so that's gonna really cook that side real fast. But as you can see, I did the outside. And the way I did it inside first, come back, do the outside last. That's the way I always do it. So got the back of the benches. underneath it. Yeah, this deck right here was a monster. It took pretty much not all day. It took about 7 hours to get it done. So if you have a deck this size, I'm hoping you spraying it, because if you're trying to do it by hand, good luck. Hey, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure that you also hit the subscribe button so you can see my next video when it comes out. This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washing, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Equipment.